Hi guys, welcome back to 𝙬𝙖𝙧𝙝. Hello, Gloria. Today we're talking about ChatGPT, an amazing tool that have taken the internet by storm. Thanks to its ability to generate human-like tasks and provide answers to a wide range of questions. You can find information on language learning and have a conversation with AI at any time. But one question comes to my mind is, could ChatGPT replace me as a Cantonese teacher? Let's have a look. First, I would like to ChatGPT make a learning plan for me. When I asked ChatGPT to create a teaching plan for me, I was pleasantly surprised. It gave me an overview of each lesson, and it includes some great class activities. However, what if I don't have a Cantonese textbook? So I asked AI for more information for lesson 1. They provide some basic words about greeting and also a dialogue. It looks good, but it's in written form, and some 𝙂𝙧𝙬𝙪𝙖𝙬𝙬 are incorrect. Number 2, to test if they could list 100 common words for us. I asked ChatGPT to list 100 common Cantonese for beginner. They list out all in written way, and you will find that some 𝙂𝙧𝙬𝙬 are wrong, not say, see. And then it also lists out lots of places in Cantonese for us. I think some of them are not frequent use for a beginner. I made a video about question words before, so you know that question words is quite important. The question words that ChatGPT provides are between written and oral form, which makes it wrong. If you want to learn 100 common Cantonese words, I suggest you to watch my videos and listen to my 8 hours learning Cantonese while sleeping videos. Number 3, I asked him to generate a dialogue with certain words. At the beginning of each class, I will have a conversation with my students, and I will list some words that they don't know but is quite common. I wish there is a tool that helps me to make some dialogues with these certain words. So ChatGPT did generate a dialogue for me, but it doesn't make much sense, and some of them are wrong, and some of them are written. Number 4, to see if I could practice oral Cantonese with it. So even though I told them that I want to speak in spoken Cantonese, but why it still come like this? Then I tried to change my question, but it still cannot answer for me. They just explain the expressions for me. And then I say, okay, why not we have a conversation about food? And what happened? Unfortunately, ChatGPT wasn't able to understand my English while I tried to learn another language. You steal my lie! Number 5, I tried to see if it could correct my grammar. Even though I make a simple and typical mistake, ChatGPT wasn't able to detect it. This sentence is totally wrong, especially grammatically. That one I have already corrected on this video. I thought maybe they can only correct my Mandarin, but it shows that it didn't. Number 6, I tried to let him to teach me a slang or words every day. It teach me this one 咁樣啦, but 咁樣啦 and 咁樣 is different. This explanation seems professional, but it's wrong. According to the context, it should be 係咁㗎啦. Yeah, ChatGPT could teach me some words, but they are not what they really mean, and even though the example is wrong. So, it didn't work. So then I asked them to list some example. Every time when I teach a word, lots of students say, Gloria, please give us more example. Yeah, I would like to give you more example, but we have time limit. So I want to see if ChatGPT could help us to list some example with our word. I don't know why this time it showed me yo and some of them are wrong. So could ChatGPT replace me? In conclusion, I was shocked when they can write a teaching plan for me, but after testing its languages, I guess it's still not friendly use to learn Chinese language with ChatGPT. But ChatGPT is great for creating a learning plan for us because that is basically how to learn any language for a beginner. But the material it provides might be incorrect. However, you can use it to find other learning materials. So I will type if Dub Chinese with Gloria is useful for Cantonese learning, and it said yes. I got ChatGPT guarantee. If you're a Cantonese beginner and want to reach A1 level in 10 weeks, join my complete Cantonese group lesson. Lots of time slots are available, and the link will be ready by the end of February. So join us at any time. I'm glad to see you, and it's fun to use this website, and I hope OpenAI could continue to improve their language learning part. So if you're still looking for some learning material, you could go to my page. There is lots of free videos for you guys to watch. If you miss my tutorial videos, please give me a like, and I will be back soon. Okay, see you soon. Bye bye.